Securing your AWeber emails, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC Authentication. Warmy blog. Email is essential for marketing, but security is vital. Authentication methods like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC help protect your messages. AWeber supports these methods, ensuring your emails are secure and effective. We'll show you how to use them to boost your email marketing. Email authentication confirms the sender's identity and ensures the message hasn't been altered. It boosts email security and trust. Email authentication is essential for marketers as it ensures emails reach the inbox, improves sender reputation, protects the brand from spoofing, boosts engagement, and offers insights for optimization. Sender Policy Framework (SPF) prevents spoofing by allowing domain owners to specify which servers can send emails for their domain. The receiving server checks this record to verify if the sender's IP is authorized. For a complete step-by-step guide on setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC with AWeber, visit our blog, link in the description. Domain Keys Identified Mail, DKIM, verifies email authenticity by adding a digital signature to email headers. Recipients use a public key from the sender's DNS to check the signature and confirm the email hasn't been altered. Domain-based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, DMARC, enhances SPF and DKIM by specifying handling rules for unauthenticated emails and providing reporting on domain usage and abuse. Email authentication ensures emails land in the inbox by building trust with providers. Tools like Warmy.io enhance sender reputation by gradually increasing email volume, simulating engagement, and maintaining consistency. To monitor email authentication with Warmy.io's free test, visit their site, enter your email address, and send a test email. The results will show if your email lands in spam, if your domain or IP is blacklisted, and if authentication methods, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, are passing. Regularly review and adjust your setup to maintain good deliverability. Grateful for your time. Visit Warmy.io and remember to like and subscribe for our latest updates. Thanks for your support.